Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to prevent unwanted followers on X. The most effective way to stop strangers and bots from following you on X is by making your account private. And if your account is private, this will force anyone who wants to follow you on X to send you requests, which you must manually approve. So let's go to profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and now you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now from here find section that's called privacy and safety, and at the top go to audience and tagging, and finally this is the option that you should enable, that is called protect your posts. So from this moment, if you enable this function, your profile becomes private, your account becomes private, and you will receive a notification for a new follow request. So there is special dedicated tab for that. Let's tap profile picture in the top left, and here in this section you will find follower requests, and from here you can manually accept them or decline by using those two buttons. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.